Hello viewers, welcome to IT Math. In this video we'll be looking at mixed numbers, and then we'll be focusing on conversion of mixed numbers to improper fraction and vice versa. So we begin. What's a mixed number? A mixed number is that number that has a whole number part and a fraction part, or a fraction with a whole number combined or mixed with a fraction. Hence the name mixed number. Before we continue, please kindly hit the subscribe or the follow button. It helps us a lot. Thank you. So if I write this is read as one whole number 1/2, or you can just say 1.5. That means that 1 has been added to a half. As simple as that. In maths, as a matter of fact, you are permitted to write this as this. This means this, depending on what you want to use this number for. You can decide to open it up like this. It actually means 1 plus a half, like this. Okay, pictorially, I can write this as 1 whole orange plus a half orange. So we call it 1.5. The same way, if I write 4 and 1/3, it means 4 added to 1/3, which means I have 4 oranges and I'm adding it to 1/3 of an orange. This is only the part I am interested in. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1/3. 4 plus 1/3. This is what we call a mixed number. This is what we call a mixed number. These are mixed numbers. Even if I have 100 1/5, that is a mixed number. A whole number part mixed with a fraction part. For this video, we'll be focusing our attention on converting mixed numbers to improper fraction. So let's find out, what is an improper fraction? An improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator. What do I mean? If I write 5/3, I am writing an improper fraction. If I write 10/7, that is an improper fraction. 100/83, that's an improper fraction. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. Look at it. So these are all improper fractions. But if I write 3/5, that is a proper fraction. 7/10, that's a proper fraction. 83/100, that's a proper fraction. When the numerator is smaller than the denominator, we have a proper fraction. This is improper. So as you can see here, both improper fraction and proper fractions are written as single fractions like this. A number on top of another number. A number on top of another number. Whereas mixed numbers are not written that way. We have this mixture. So how do we convert this and make it look like this without any number, any whole number here? So let's take a few examples. Convert the following to improper fraction. Number 1, 1 whole number 1/2. Let's begin with that. If I have 1 whole number 1/2, this is a simple thing I want you to do. We have multiplication written here, and we have addition written here. Just do that. Okay, multiplication is heavier than addition. It's the elder brother to addition. You know, when things are heavier, they tend to go down, and when things are lighter, they tend to float. So let Plus, which is lighter or smaller, will float while multiplication goes down. So I put the heavier one down and I put the lighter one addition up there. What do I do? I'm going to do 2 times 1 plus 1. Have you seen the direction? Starting with the denominator, you come here and multiply 2 times 1. This is what I mean. 2 times 1. What is this? Plus 1. Plus 1. That is the simple truth. And then that is over what? The 2 that was here. The denominator. Again, 2 times 1 plus 1. 2 times 1 plus 1. Let's solve that. 2 times 1 is what? 2 plus 1, 3. So we have 3 over 2. That is our answer. We've successfully converted this mixed number, 1 whole number, 1 over 2, to an improper fraction, a single fraction, 3 over 2. Let's try to add a little meaning to this. We said that 1 whole number, 1 over 2, means 1 plus a half. Let's look at this again. And this, we said that this is equal to what? 3 over 2. Let's use pictures. This is 1 whole orange. Plus, this is half an orange. Half. This is the part I am interested in. I'm not interested in this part. Let's look at this. I'm saying divide your oranges into 2. So I divide my oranges into 2. Even if I have 100 of them, I just keep dividing them into 2. And then I pick just 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. That is how I get my 1, 2, 3 over 2 divided into 2. Remember, the denominator is always the number of places that whole thing has been divided into 2. So this gives us 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember our first answer? So you see that it makes sense that 3 over 2 is actually 1 whole number, 1 over 2. See? It makes sense. You can go back and get this, and we can go back and get this. The same way for 4 whole number, 1 over 3, we say it means 4 plus 1 over 3. That means I'm dealing with 4 oranges and then a third. If we are to count like we are in kindergarten, we will find out that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That would be what? 13 over how many places was each orange divided into? 3. But we are not in kindergarten, so we won't be using this approach. This is just to explain it to you why we have the answer we have. But we are not using this approach anymore. So what do? What did I say we do? Multiplication goes down, addition goes up. And we move from this direction. 3 times 4 plus 1 divided by what? The denominator. Nothing takes the place of the denominator. So that becomes what? 3 times 4, 12, plus 1, 13. Our 13 comes back. See? The same thing. I hope that makes sense, because I'm going to need you to try this for me. Pause the video and try it by yourself, and when you're done, you unpause it and continue. Okay, if you had this, you're absolutely correct. If you didn't, don't feel bad. Just watch the video again, and then you'll get it. Now let's proceed from converting from improper fraction, like this, back to mixed numbers. If you give me 11 over 3, what I have to do is divide 11 by 3. Please, it's very important for you to go and watch our video on how to divide numbers. Please watch that video so that you can flow along with us very easily. So 11 divided by 3 is what? If I share 11 by 3 people, what will each person have? Or if I run my 3 times table, what answer will hit a number that is still less than 11 that I was asked to divide? Please watch that video. So I'll quickly run my 3 times table. 3, 1, 3, 3, 2, 6, 3, 3, 9, 3, 4, 12. I've passed 11. So I go back to 3, 3. So 3 is my answer to 11 divided by 3, but there is a remainder. A remainder of what? 2. Why? Because I only used 9 to divide. 3, 3, 9 to get 3. Now, the difference between the 9 that I used and 11 is 2. Remember, the denominator always stays in its place. So this is our answer. So let's go back to this example where we converted 4 whole number 1 over 3 to 13 over 3. Let's see how we can work our way back from 13 over 3 to 4 whole number 1 over 3. So this is the math. We are trying to convert 13 over 3 back to 4 whole number 1 over 3. So we have to divide 13 by 3. What is 13 divided by 3? If I run my 3 times table, I'll have 3, 1, 3, 3, 2, 6, 3, 3, 9, 3, 4, 12, 3, 5, 15. I just passed 13, so I go back to 3, 4, 12. So 4 is my answer. And between the answer that gave 4, which is 12, and the 13 I was given to share, what is the difference? The difference is 1. And I place back my denominator. Please go back and watch the video on how to divide numbers. I'm going to give you the next one to try. What would that be? Please pause the video and get your answer. I'm sure that was your answer. 2 whole number 4 over 7. Please do the next one and drop the answer in the comment section for me. Thank you, but before you go, kindly subscribe to our page, hit the subscribe button or the follow button. Thank you. Until next time. Bye-bye.